In this short video, I'm going to give you a quick overview of how to add Grammarly to Firefox. It's pretty easy to use, so open up your Firefox browser, then navigate to grammarly.com. Your next step is to log into Grammarly or your Grammarly web account, or if you haven't set up your Grammarly account, just click on Get Grammarly, it's free, and put in your best email address. Once you've done that, you're going to log into the web app, then you're going to click on Apps, and Grammarly will automatically prompt you to install Grammarly for Firefox. So when you click on this, it'll just take a few seconds to add to your browser. When prompted, click on Continue to Installation, then click on Add. Next, ask yourself, do you want Grammarly to run when you open up a private window in Firefox or not? In this case, I'm going to say that that's okay. Now Grammarly is up and running. If I want to verify this at any time, I can just simply open my extensions and I can click on the cog, pin it to the toolbar so I know that Grammarly is there. Once you've pinned the Grammarly icon to your Firefox browser, be sure that you activate your Grammarly account. So simply click on this, then click on the green Got It, Activate Grammarly. Now you can use Grammarly anywhere you're writing in Firefox. So for example, in your email client or Google Docs or wherever it is that you're working. Once you've done this, I'd actually recommend taking a moment to install Grammarly for your computer. That's because the desktop app works really well. Once you've installed the desktop app, you don't need to worry about installing any more plugins or add-ons. Grammarly will work across all of your writing applications on Mac or Windows. Elsewhere on the channel, I have some extensive tutorials and videos where I explain how to use and set up Grammarly, and I even have a Grammarly discount which I'll include in the link below this video. I of course earn a small commission should you decide to use it. If you have any other questions about Grammarly, let me know in the comment section below this short video.